Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. Man, I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walking the villain. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, if they opponents.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can guess, it is Friday today. That means I am gonna go to the track and we're gonna race this thing. Finally, it's been a whole month since I've raced. But good thing guys, today the weather is amazing. I don't want to tell you guys the temperature right now. I'll tell you whenever I get to the track, because I know by the time you get there it's gonna be different. So stay tuned for the video guys. I'm gonna give you a quick cold start before we get started. Let's go.
One hour later.
All right, y'all, I have arrived at the track. Man, let me tell you, the weather is freaking amazing, man. If I don't run 10's tonight, I don't know when I'll ever run 10's. Let's just say that. Right now it's 46 degrees. The humidity is 71%. And the DA is negative 990 feet. Woo! Oh my gosh, man. Just a quick update if you guys don't know. I don't have my passenger seat. And then I also don't have my back seats. Let me show you guys. All right, y'all, I have camera over here recording me. So he's gonna stand over there, get the passes from the outside. So it should be fun. And right now somebody got stuck in the sand, which kind of sucks. We have to wait. It's been about 15 minutes so far. We'll see how long it takes. But yeah, we're gonna have an outside video. So that's amazing. Stay tuned, let's go. That was a very good pass. My 60 foot was 1.62, and on that one I did 11.011 at 126. Man, that is like the worst and the best. It's like really close to that 10.9, man. So I gotta improve on my launch. On this one I launched at I think 2200. I'm probably gonna increase that launch and launch at 26, maybe 2500. And see what that does, because right after I launched it felt like the car had like a little delay. It kind of lost power a little bit, so I'm definitely gonna launch higher and see what that does. But that's crazy, man. 11.011. Sheesh. Also, that was the pass. I went to that pass right after I got here. Like, I didn't even get to open my hood and let my car cool down, all that good stuff. So my engine was still pretty hot when I ran on that one. So on this one, it's gonna be about 30 more minutes from now. That's gonna be plenty enough time for the car to cool down. And then I'm gonna head back out there, man. This is crazy. Woo! Man, 10.9 tonight for sure. Let's go. I did it, guys. I did it. Man, what's crazy? I skipped the whole 10'9", man. I did 10'8", guys. That is crazy. Yo, I'm freaking excited, man. This is crazy. Yo, 10'8'9" and 127. Sheesh. Anyway, man, I'm gonna run one more time just for fun and see if I can improve on that. But I'm really happy with that already. So we'll see how it is. Let's go.
Over there. Put in that room, yeah. Give him the bolt. Yeah, I'll go talk to here.
Alright, y'all, so look, we took the hood off. Right now, kind of like a last minute thing. We're gonna try to squeeze as much time as we can off of the car.
That's what makes south a little, makes it feel a lot colder than what